Welcome to another very quick unboxing, if you like, of what I believe to be a Motorola Timeport 280, but I'm happy to be wrong about that. Looked pretty good on the eBay website that I purchased from. It actually only cost 99p. No one else put an offer in, and well, this is very good. Ironically, I had to email the seller just yesterday because it's taken over a week, and they hadn't indicated that it had been sent. Just seems to be one drama after another with eBay at the moment. However, that looks like it is in superb condition. I'm happy about that. Let's see if we can get it switched on. This looks favourite. Is it favourite? No. Okay. I should probably check prior to arrival on how, there it is. Big switch at the bottom there. But unfortunately it appears that the handset is dead regarding the battery charge. So yeah, that is impressive to say the least. I just need to find out whether it is unlocked. Battery looks in excellent condition. Inside this side looks excellent. I'll have a fight with that later, I think. But yeah, that is superb. I just need to charge it, and then I will have a look at the ringtone, see what they're like, and I'll do a quick review. So yeah, let's have a look at it.